Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the vibrant and diverse music scene of Africa. Join us as we delve into the world of top African artists who are not only setting trends but also captivating audiences worldwide with their exceptional talent and creativity. Africa stands as a powerhouse of musical innovation, where traditional rhythms intertwine with modern beats to create a rich tapestry of sounds. From the infectious rhythms of Afrobeats to the soulful melodies of high life, the African music landscape is a melting pot of genres and influences that resonate globally. In this video, we celebrate the diversity and creativity of African artists who are making waves across the continent and beyond. These musicians not only entertain but also inspire, bringing African culture to the forefront of the global music scene. Let's start with Burna Boy, the Nigerian Afrofusion icon known for his unique sound and powerful lyrics. Hailing from Lagos, Nigeria, Burna Boy has become a household name in the African music scene and beyond. His album African Giant, released in 2019, earned critical acclaim and a Grammy nomination, solidifying his status as one of the most influential artists in the Afrobeats genre. Burna Boy's music is a fusion of various styles, including Afrobeats, dancehall, and hip-hop, creating a sound that is both familiar and innovative. One of the standout tracks from African Giant is Anybody, a high-energy song that showcases Burna Boy's versatility as an artist. The track features a catchy hook and a driving beat that is sure to get audiences dancing. Burna Boy's collaborations with artists like Stormzy and Georgia Smith have further expanded his international presence, introducing his music to new audiences around the world. Another Nigerian superstar who has made a significant impact on the global music scene is Wizkid. Known for his infectious beats and chart-topping hits, Wizkid has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the industry, including Drake and Beyonce. His album Made in Lagos, released in 2020, has been praised for its genre-bending sound, which seamlessly blends Afrobeats with elements of R&B, dancehall, and pop. One of the standout tracks from Made in Lagos is Essence, which features fellow Nigerian artist Tems. The song has been hailed as one of the best Afrobeats tracks of 2021 and has received widespread critical acclaim. Wizkid's versatility as an artist is evident in his ability to create music that appeals to a wide range of audiences, from the dance floor to the radio. Moving on to a rising star in the African music scene, we have Rema, a young artist from Nigeria who is quickly gaining recognition for his fresh sound and energetic performances. Rema's music is a blend of Afrobeats, trap, and R&B, creating a unique style that sets him apart from his contemporaries. One of Rema's most popular songs is Calm Down with Selena Gomez, which was released in 2022. The track features a catchy hook and a bouncy beat that has become a staple in clubs and parties across Africa. The music video for Calm Down has garnered millions of views on YouTube, which further solid Rema's status as a rising star in the Afrobeats scene. Another Nigerian artist who has made a significant impact on the African music scene is Davido. Known for his energetic stage presence and catchy tunes, Davido has become a household name in Nigeria and beyond. He has won multiple awards, including the BET Award for Best International Act in 2014 and 2018, and has collaborated with artists like Chris Brown and Keys Daniel. One of Davido's most popular songs is Fall, which was released in 2017, featured a captivating rhythm and an Afrobeat vibe, becoming a favorite at festivals and gatherings around the world. The music video for Fall has garnered over 254 million views and has garnered gold certification in the US and Canada. Moving on to an emerging talent in the African music scene, we have Tyla, a young artist from South Africa who is quickly gaining recognition for her soulful vocals and captivating melodies. Tyla's music is a blend of R&B and Afrobeats, creating a unique style that sets her apart from her contemporaries. One of Tyla's most popular songs is Water, which was released in 2024. The track features a smooth beat and Tyla's emotive vocals, creating a soulful and introspective sound that has resonated with audiences across Africa and beyond. At the 2024 Grammy Awards, Tyla became the first person to win the inaugural award for Best African Music Performance with Water, and was also the youngest ever African artist to win a Grammy Award in history. Moving on to an artist who has made a significant impact on the African music scene, we have Fally Ipupa, a charismatic performer from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Known for his infectious dance tunes and energetic stage presence, Fally Ipupa has collaborated with artists like R. Kelly, showcasing his versatility as a performer. One of Fally Ipupa's most popular songs is Keyname, which was released in 2017. The track features a catchy hook and a driving beat that has become a staple in clubs and parties across Africa. The music video for Keyname features Fally Ipupa's signature dance moves and has garnered millions of views on YouTube, further solidifying his status as one of the most popular artists in the African music scene. Moving on to a legendary artist who has made a significant impact on the African music scene, we have Angelique Kidjo, a singer-songwriter from Benin who has been blending African and Western influences for over 3 decades. Kidjo is a 5-time Grammy Award winner and is known for her advocacy of African culture and women's rights. One of Angelique Kidjo's most popular songs is Agolo, which was released in 1991. The track features a driving beat and Kidjo's powerful vocals, creating a sound that is both traditional and modern. The music video for Agolo features Kidjo dancing in traditional African dress, celebrating the beauty and diversity of African culture. Finally, we have Sarkodie, a prolific rapper from Ghana who has made significant contributions to the African hip-hop scene. Known for his thoughtful lyrics and smooth delivery, Sarkodie has won multiple awards and has collaborated with artists like Fuse ODG and Efia. One of Sarkodie's most popular songs is Adonai, which features Nigerian artist Castro. The track features a catchy hook and a driving beat that has become a staple in clubs and parties across Africa. The music video for Adonai features Sarkodie and Castro performing the song in various locations across Ghana, showcasing the beauty and diversity of the country. These artists represent the rich diversity and creativity of the African music scene, captivating audiences worldwide with their exceptional talent and unique sounds. Their success highlights the growing influence of African music globally and the importance of celebrating the diversity and creativity of African artists. As we conclude this journey through the world of African music, we encourage you to explore the music of these artists and many others who are shaping the future of music. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure.